Assalamu alaikum everybody and welcome to Arabic with Amina. Today we have a short story covering Eid Al-fitr vocabulary. The sighting of the crescent moon, or hilal, marks both the start and end of Ramadan. After the month of Ramadan comes the month Shawwal. The morning of the first day of Shawwal marks Eid Al-fitr, the first day of the festival of breaking fast, which marks the end of the month-long dawn to sunset fasting of Ramadan. All of the mosques do takbir on the days of Eid to proclaim the greatness of Allah. When people awaken on the first day of Eid, they will bathe first. Istihmam. Istihmam. People will usually wear new clothes on Eid. Malabisun jadida. But it doesn't have to be new, just the best they own. Then people will head out to the mosques to perform the Eid prayer, Salatul Eid. Salatul Eid. After the prayer, Muslims celebrate the Eid Al-fitr in various ways, with food being a central theme. The food is usually sweets, or halawiyat. This is which also gives the holiday the nickname Sweet Eid or Sugar Feast. It's common during Eid to give out Eidiyah. Eidiyah is given by older relatives to children as a part of the celebration and can be either a gift such as a toy or it can be cash. Later on, we visit others to share the celebration, such as visiting family, Ziyaratul Ahl, and visiting friends, Ziyaratul Asdiqai. Eid is a time of celebration, ihtifal. During this holiday, all Muslims share the joy of this holiday, or bahja. Comment below, how do you spend the Eid holiday? I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you next time. Arabic with Amina.